English A1. Talking about your school. Lesson by BabelBoosters YouTube channel.
Hi, Dan.
Hi, Tom.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do.
Mine is big and busy.
Mine is small and quiet.
That sounds nice.
It is nice, but the bus is early.
Oh, that is hard.
Yes, I wake up very early.
What time do you start?
At 8 o'clock.
I start at 8 too.
Do you walk to school?
No, I take the bus.
I walk with my sister.
That is good.
Yes, we talk on the way.
What is your favorite class?
English is my favorite.
Mine too.
Really? That is funny.
Yes, I like simple words.
I like speaking practice.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, Miss S. Green.
She's kind.
Yes, and very patient.
My teacher is funny.
That helps a lot.
It does.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, too much homework.
I know that feeling.
Math is hard for me.
Math is hard for me too.
We are not alone.
No, we are not.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
Rice and fruit.
I eat a sandwich.
That sounds good.
Sometimes I buy soup.
I like soup on cold days.
Me too.
Do you have friends in your class?
Yes, I have 2 good friends.
Do you sit with them?
Yes, every day.
That is nice.
Yes, school is better with friends.
I agree.
Do you use books or tablets?
We use both.
My school uses tablets a lot.
Mine uses more books.
I like books better.
I like tablets better.
Why tablets?
They are light and fast.
Books feel calm to me.
That is a nice idea.
Do you have art class?
Yes, on Friday.
I have art on Monday.
Do you draw pictures?
Yes, but I'm not very good.
I am not good either.
We can still try.
Yes, that is true.
Do you have a school uniform?
Yes, we do.
I wear a blue shirt.
I wear a white shirt.
Do you like the uniform?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Same here.
It is easy in the morning.
Yes, no hard choice.
Do you have a library?
Yes, and it is quiet.
I like quiet places.
Me too.
I read there after class.
What do you read?
Short story books.
I read comic books.
That sounds fun.
It is fun.
Do you have a playground?
Yes, a big one.
We have a small one.
Do you play there?
Yes, at break time.
I play football there.
I like running games.
Do you have many students?
Yes, many students.
My school is crowded.
Crowded can be noisy.
Very noisy.
Do you like noise?
Not always.
Me neither.
I like calm classrooms.
Yes, calm is better.
What do you do after school?
I go home and rest.
I do my homework first.
Good idea.
Then I play games.
I watch TV a little.
Do you study every day?
Yes, a little every day.
I try to study too.
Try is a good word.
It is not easy.
No, but we can do it.
Do you have a school bag?
Yes, it is red.
Mine is black.
Is it heavy?
Yes, very heavy.
Mine is heavy too.
Too many books?
Yes, and a water bottle.
I carry lunch too.
Then it is really heavy.
Yes, my shoulder hurts.
You need a better bag.
Maybe I do.
Do you have a favorite subject?
Yes, English.
I knew it.
It is easy to speak.
And easy to practice.
Do you ever get late?
Sometimes, yes.
I was late last week.
Oh no, what happened?
The bus was slow.
That can happen.
My teacher was not happy.
Mine was not happy either once.
Did you say sorry?
Yes, I did.
That is the right thing.
I think so too.
Do you have a school bell?
Yes, it rings loudly.
I jump every time.
Me too.
It is funny.
Yes, but it is loud.
Do you wear glasses at school?
No, I do not.
I do sometimes.
Are they helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
That is good.
Can you see the board well?
Yes, most of the time.
I need the front seat.
I like front seats too.
Do you have a school photo?
Yes, we took one yesterday.
How was it?
Funny and a little messy.
That sounds like my class.
We all tried to smile.
Did anyone blink?
Yes, 3 students did.
Oh, that is bad.
But also funny.
Do you have a school trip?
Yes, next month.
Where are you going?
To the zoo.
Wow, I love the zoo.
Me too.
We may see lions.
And monkeys too.
That will be exciting.
I cannot wait.
Do you have music class?
Yes, on Tuesday.
I sing badly.
I sing badly too.
Then we are safe.
Yes, nobody asks us to sing alone.
That is a relief.
Do you have a test soon?
Yes, tomorrow.
Oh, that is soon.
I am a little scared.
Me too for my test.
We should study tonight.
Yes, after dinner.
Do you study with friends?
Sometimes, yes.
That helps me a lot.
It helps me too.
Do you have a school club?
Yes, the reading club.
I never joined a club.
You should try one.
Maybe I will.
It is fun to meet new people.
That is true.
Do you like your classroom?
Yes, it is bright.
Mine has big windows.
That sounds lovely.
We see the trees outside.
I like that a lot.
Me too.
Do you have a desk partner?
Yes, her name is Mia.
Is she nice?
Yes, very nice.
My desk partner talks too much.
That can be fun.
Sometimes yes.
Sometimes not.
Sometimes not when I study.
I understand that.
Do you have many books at school?
Yes, many books.
I like looking at new books.
I like the smell of books.
That is a nice feeling.
Yes, school can have small nice things.
Do you have a school canteen?
Yes, we do.
Is the food good?
Some days yes, some days no.
Same at my school.
What do you like most there?
The hot bread.
That sounds delicious.
Do you have a class pet?
Yes, a fish.
Just one fish?
Yes, one small fish.
That is cute.
The class likes it a lot.
Do you clean the tank?
Yes, sometimes.
That is a big job.
It is, but we help.
Do you have a school rule you like?
I like the quiet rule in the library.
I like that rule too.
Do you have a rule you do not like?
No running in the hall.
I do not like that one either.
Sometimes I forget it.
Then you won.
Only a little.
That is risky.
Yes, I know.
Do you have a good school day today?
Yes, mostly good.
What was bad?
I forgot my pencil.
Oh no.
My friend lent me one.
That is kind.
Yes, good friends help.
They really do.
Do you ever feel shy at school?
Yes, in new classes.
Me too.
Then I speak very softly.
I do that too.
But it gets better.
Yes, after a few days.
Do you have a favourite school memory?
Yes, our school fair.
What happened there?
I won a small prize.
Really? What prize?
A notebook and pen.
That is a good prize.
I was very happy.
I would be happy too.
Do you have a favourite place in school?
The courtyard.
Why the courtyard?
It feels open and free.
I like the schoolyard.
That is close.
Yes, and I can breathe there.
Do you ever want to change schools?
Sometimes I think about it.
Why?
I want a smaller school.
I want a bigger one.
Really?
Yes, I want more clubs and more sports.
I want less noise.
So we want different things.
Yes, but both are okay.
True.
School is hard, but it is important.
Yes, and it can also be fun.
Especially with good friends.
And kind teachers.
And a little luck.
Yes, a little luck helps.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.